Hey, we back in this thing, man. I got my man J-Bird on the beat. AyoSKINNY. And I go by NUFLO. Got throw last night, lost 14 grands at the corner store. Woke up, ain't got earth off, plugged up with the plug, and I got more. Now that I'm on, they calling my phone. I'm calling the shots, cannot be cloned. Real ones all know, stick to the G code for show. They calling my phone, she pouring up shots of Patron. Serving from Cali to Dallas, I took a trip in the ocean near the valley. Good vibes, good energy, don't never ever trust the enemy. I heard it going about 10 a key, low key, staying out the well, sipping on my tea. J-Bird, AyoSKINNY be kin to me. Kick it back, gotta grind, gotta make the G's. Low key, a lot of money make in the triple D. Thinking should I take another sip or should I call it quits? Fuck it, I be living on the edge. Edit on my head is out, and I gotta stay ahead. With the 5 grand, 10 grand, 20 grand. People say I gotta change cause I'm focusing on other plans. I got stocks, got me lit. I picked up a book, became a better man.
And now that I'm on, they calling my phone, just leave me alone. Yeah, I just won't be alone, I'm still with the shit. Through gold on my wrist, my heart done turned cold, so I can't trust a bitch. And now that I'm good, I'm trying to leave the hood, but it got a good grip, gotta grind, don't quit. Like that I'm stuck in this bitch, keep it real, don't switch. Gotta grind, don't quit, yeah. Keep it real, don't switch. Gotta grind, don't quit. AyoSKINNY, keep it real, don't switch. Back then I had to work the scale, bro. Had to figure out to get a bankroll. Had to walk a mile, but I did it though. And I earned my stripes with my kinfolk. See my blunts hot, but my heart's cold. When my girl starts tripping, I gotta smoke. Hot as the sky, but nailed down to the flow. Only thing that I got is my word and my balls. Thug with my niggas, ain't taking the loss. Swinging and banging, I done paid the cost. RIP to my niggas gone, cause I done lost a lot of niggas up on the cross. RIP to my nigga dope. RIP to my nigga flesh. I'ma hold it down until I'm dead and gone. I'ma hold it down until I'm put to rest. Cause now that I'm on, they calling my phone. Just leave me alone. I just wanna be alone. I'm still with the shit. Threw gold on my wrist. I been thugging my nigga. Till I'm up in the ditch. Cause now that I'm on, they calling my phone. Just leave me alone. Yeah, I just wanna be alone. I'm still with the shit. Threw gold on my wrist. My heart done turned cold, so I can't trust a bitch. And now that I'm good, I'm trying to leave the hood, but it got a good grip, gotta grind, don't quit. Like that I'm stuck in this bitch, keep it real, don't switch. Gotta grind, don't quit. Keep it real, don't switch. Gotta grind, don't quit. Keep it real, don't switch.
So many switch ups when money's involved and they get cuts. Everybody wanna ball and make big bucks, but won't be involved when it gets rough. Who you gonna call when you're down to your last? Rents overdue, bills piling up. You have to make a move. It's either win or lose. It's up to you to choose. I'm deciding what my fate is. Stop at the smoke shop off Davis. About to get some raw blacks, my favorite. Finna make a stuff sack look vacant. Wondering what the bud at craving. Now that I'm stoned, you be calling my phone, hoping that I could just throw you a bone. But I was taught to go and get my own. Running from cops until I make it home. So feel this now shit. You see my rent is due, so I gotta handle up like a man. Know what I'm talking about? Come on. And I don't depend on you. Come on. Because I depend on myself. Come on.
Now that I'm on, they calling my phone. Just leave me alone. Yeah, I just wanna be alone. I'm still with the shit. Threw gold on my wrist. My heart done turned cold, so I can't trust a bitch. And now that I'm good, trying to leave the hood, but it got a good grip, gotta grind, don't quit. Like that I'm stuck in this bitch, keep it real, don't switch. Gotta grind, don't quit. Keep it real, don't switch.